Joseph's story: patience, faith, and forgiveness. Joseph was a handsome and righteous young man, blessed by God with a special gift, the ability to interpret dreams. One day, he told his brothers about his dream. 11 stars, the sun, and the moon were bowing down to him. When his brothers heard this, they became jealous because they realized that a great position awaited Joseph. When God gives you a special talent or dream, think with wisdom before sharing it with everyone, because not everyone will be happy for you. Use your gift with humility. The brothers plotted against Joseph and threw him into a deserted well. Later, they sold him to a caravan traveling to Egypt. Suddenly, Joseph's life changed. Far from home, sold as a slave. Sometimes life takes a turn that brings us down, but that is not the end. God can lead you to your destination even through the hardest paths. In Egypt, Joseph served in the house of a high-ranking official, but the official's wife falsely accused him and he was sent to prison. This was the second great setback. Yet instead of complaining, Joseph began helping others in prison. When you face injustice, instead of complaining, show through your actions that your faith in God remains firm. Even when circumstances worsen, do not stop doing good. In prison, Joseph interpreted the dreams of 2 fellow prisoners. Later, he also interpreted Pharaoh's dream: 7 years of abundance followed by 7 years of famine. Because of this wisdom, Pharaoh appointed him as the governor of Egypt. Your hard work and honesty will bear fruit in time, sometimes sooner, sometimes later, but always in God's perfect timing. Your responsibility is to do your part faithfully. During the famine, Joseph's brothers came to Egypt to buy grain. Joseph recognized them, but did not seek revenge. Finally, he said, "You intended to harm me, but God intended it for good." He forgave them all. True strength lies not in taking revenge, but in forgiving. Forgiveness sets the heart free and draws you closer to God. Without patience, faith is incomplete. God's plan is always better, even if we do not understand it. Forgiveness is a gift that brings peace to the one who gives it.